Thank you, Honourable Speaker. Honourable Speaker, I thank the Honourable Sem Korolavisau for his question. Honourable Speaker, the discussions and these negotiations are of paramount national importance. As honourable members are acutely aware, the viability and importance of our tuna processing industry, including our state-owned enterprise, PAFCO, relies heavily on the stable and sufficient supply of raw material of tuna, particularly Albacore, Yellowfin and Bigeye stocks. Honourable Speaker, given the climatic shifts affecting migratory patterns, with tuna resources increasingly congregating further north and east in the EEZ of our neighbors, securing this access is an economic imperative. Honourable Speaker, our most recent bilateral engagement with the Tuvalu Fisheries Department has been highly constructive. These high-level talks are primarily aimed at negotiating access agreements to secure raw tuna materials, predominantly albacore, which is the backbone of our domestic processing needs. Honourable Speaker, the current status of this bilateral discussion is that the Minister of Fisheries has established a clear pathway for finalizing a memorandum of understanding for fishing access. We have presented a case based on our strong bilateral relationship and the mutual economic benefit as securing supply supports a processing hub for the region. Honourable Speaker, my technical team is currently working on the final details of the fee structure and the specific number of vessel days to be allocated. We are seeking a preferential fee structure that recognizes the unique position of Fiji as a processing hub within the region, rather than being charged the standard higher vessel day scheme fees levied on distant water fishing nations. Honourable Speaker, the final agreement will be presented to Cabinet for endorsement. On the other hand, Honourable Speaker, I'd like to update the House also and the Honourable Member regarding our dialogue with Kiribati, a major tuna resource owner and a key member of the parties to the Nauru Agreement. Our dialogue has been focused on bilateral access and exploring cooperation under the regional framework. Honourable Speaker, the current status of this discussion is understandably cautious, given Kiribati's reliance on its own fisheries revenue. However, we have engaged them in talks on a hub and spokes model, where a stable supply of fish to Fiji's processing facilities offers mutual benefits in the form of employment and value addition for the region. Honourable Speaker, the hub and spoke model reinforces Fiji as a processing hub, allowing neighbouring island countries to prioritize locations where their catch is processed and not transferred to competing foreign countries. Honourable Speaker, the approach advocates for regional concessions, and Fiji has strongly advocated within regional bodies for special considerations for foreign island countries that operate processing plants, seeking a reduced price for concessionary terms for fishing days in key PNA EEZ, which includes Kiribati. This attempt, Honourable Speaker, is to move beyond purely bilateral negotiations and build a cohesive regional economic strategy. Honourable Speaker, the Minister of Fisheries has an upcoming meeting scheduled on the third week of October, and this is where we'll continue negotiating vessel day allocations and a specific fee arrangement that will be financially viable for a long-line fleet while respecting Kiribati's sovereign rights and revenue model. Vinaka.